I want to show you how to participate in the biggest airdrop of the year. That is the airdrop that will be coming from DAO Maker. So you can check out DAOmaker.com to see like more details. So what should you do? How do you participate in this airdrop? First of all, you need to buy DAO, that's DAO. So the airdrop will come to DAO stakers and DAO USDC liquidity providers. So let's see now where can we buy DAO, because we need to stake DAO on their website. The staking happens on their website. Now let's search for DAO. Now see DAO Maker. DAO Maker. Now where can we find DAO Maker? You go to exchanges. Now DAO Maker's on Uniswap, Gate.io, KuCoin, SushiSwap. These are exchanges where you can buy your DAO. So you buy your DAO. After buying your DAO, the next thing is to move them. If you bought it within your wallet, like if you have a MetaMask wallet or a Trust wallet, you can buy it with Uniswap or PancakeSwap. That's for the centralized exchanges. Or you can buy from Gate.io or Gate.io or KuCoin or SushiSwap or Hubu.com or AX or OKEx or Buybox or Gate.io. So when you do this, if you buy from any of these exchanges like OKEx.com or AX or Who.com or let's decentralized exchanges, you need to move your funds to your Trust wallet. Now, how do you use a MetaMask? Normally, you can load up your Trust wallet on your MetaMask using your recovery phrase and load up your Trust wallet into your MetaMask, because it seems it's like faster there. So when you load up your Trust wallet into your MetaMask using your recovery phrase, you come to let's just say now you're buying with now MetaMask. Go to MetaMask app, and then go to MetaMask app, and then you come to browser. Make sure it's on Ethereum main network. Come to your browser. Below here you can see your tabs, where you can go to your go to your website. Type in DAOmaker.com. When you type it in, you go to wallet, you click on connect, connect your wallet or let it be connected. So, and then you go under DAO staking. Then you see research and stake. So the airdrop will coming to anyone staking DAO or anyone adding DAO USDC liquidity provider token. So you click on research and stake, and then it connects your wallet, and you go under stake. When you go under stake, you'll be seeing DAO staking and DAO USDC staking. So on that DAO staking, you'll see where this DAO staking. Then you click on commit to stake. The quantity you have in your balance will show here, and then you click on confirm. When you click on confirm, you go through two confirmation processes where it will cost you ETH up to $12 ETH up to $12 earth transaction fee, because you go through two confirmation phases, and then your quantity will be staked, the number of DAO will be staked. This will qualify you for the airdrop. So either you buy the DAO on PancakeSwap, like let's go to whether I buy DAO on PancakeSwap, or you buy on OKEx.com, buy on Gate.io, and then you go to the website daomaker.com, and then you stake it. How to provide the liquidity? For liquidity providers, you need to have DAO, and you need to have DAO and USDC liquidity provider to token, and that is that token that you are going to stake. So this is what qualifies you, because snapshots will be taken, snapshots of the wallet balances will be taken between July 3rd, randomly between July 3rd and July 10th. So you don't have to, if you unstake your tokens between this period, you are going to be ineligible for the biggest airdrop of the year. Biggest airdrop of the year. Like you can buy from PancakeSwap. Oh yeah, PancakeSwap is on. Sorry, it's on Binance Smart Chain. It's on Binance Smart Chain. It's on Binance Smart Chain. So let's go to the wallet and change it to BSC mainnet. So BSC mainnet, so we can go, then we can click on connect wallet, MetaMask, so we connect it. Now we've connected the wallet, so you can simply go to the side, go to this place and go to trade, exchange. As if you want to buy from the website, so you select DAO, okay. So we could actually look for, let's get the contact address, so we can, let's get this contact address DAO. So let's see DAO, if we can find it here, because CoinGecko says you can trade it on PancakeSwap, but we ain't seen something like that on the list. Oh well, nevertheless, you can just buy from your OKEx, your centralized exchanges like Gate.io, OKEx.com, and then you buy and transfer to your Trust wallet. Then load up your Trust wallet on MetaMask so that you can still stake faster, and then you can go ahead and stake to qualify for the biggest airdrop of the year. Thank you very much. You can get more information on their Twitter handle. You can get more information on their Twitter handle. That's at DAOmaker. at that won't make her. All right, so thank you very much. So don't miss this.